Good morning, dear students. Today we are continuing gene interaction in the chapter 2, classical genetics. A single phenotype is controlled by more than one set of genes, each of which has two or more alleles. This phenomena is called gene interaction. In the last class we discussed. According to the Bateson's factors hypothesis, gene interaction can be classified as intragenic interaction and intergenic interaction. In the previous class, intragenic interaction, incomplete dominance or no blending of genes we studied. Let us continue, in which codominance, lethal genes and pleiotropy. What is meant by codominance? The phenomenon in which two alleles are both expressed in a heterozygous individual is known as codominance. Codominance. This pattern occurs due to the simultaneous or joint expression of both alleles in heterozygote. Codominance. This pattern occurs due to simultaneous expression of both the alleles in a heterozygous condition. For example, red and white flowers of camellia. Inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin. ABO blood group in human are the very good example. In human being, the allele IA, that is immunoglobulin A, and IB, allele IB of capital I gene are codominant, which follows Mendel's law of segregation. The codominance was demonstrated with the help of electrophoresis or chromatography for protein or flavonoid substances. Example, Gossypium hirsutum and Gossypium strutatium. In Gossypium strutarianum, their F1 hybrid, which is amphiploid, was tested for seed proteins by electrophoresis. Both the parents have different banding patterns of their seed proteins. In hybrids, additive bonding pattern was noticed. Their hybrids, that is Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium stewartianum, shows the presence of both the types of proteins similar to their parents. The heterozygote genotype, which gives rise to a phenotypic distinctly differ from either of the homozygous genotypes. The F1 heterozygotes produce a F2 progeny in a phenotypic and genotypic ratio of 1:2:1. Codominance is mainly due to the two alleles which are simultaneously expressed in a heterozygous individual. Now, let us continue. Lethal genes. Lethal, potentially cause death, or death it means. An allele which has potential to cause death of an organism is called lethal allele. In the year 1907, E. Baugh reported a lethal gene in snapdragon that is called Antirrhinum species. Antirrhinum species. It's an example for recessive lethality. In snapdragon, there are three kinds of plants. In snapdragon, there are three kinds of plants, namely green color plants or plants with a green color leaf with chlorophyll, called as capital C, homozygous. Yellowish green plants with carotenoids are referred to a pale green, golden green, or maybe aurea plants, heterozygous, capital C, small c. White plant without any chlorophyll, called as small c, the genotype. Here if you observe the genotype of homozygous green, that is capital C, capital C. The genotype of the homozygous white plant is small c, small c. The aurea plants have the genotype of capital C, small c because they are heterozygous of green and white plants. When two such aurea plants, that is called Antirrhinum aurea plant, crossed in F1 generation, when the two such aurea plants are crossed, the F1 generation has identical genotype or phenotypic ratio, identical phenotype and genotypic ratio of 1:2:1, that is green capital C 25%, aurea capital C small c 50%, and white which is small c as 25%. Since the white plants lack of chlorophyll pigment, they will not survive. Hence, the F2 generation, in which the ratio is modified as 1:2 or 2:1. In the case of homozygous recessive genotype, small c is lethal. The term which is called lethal is applied to those changes in the genome of an organism which produces effects severe, it's enough to cause death. Lethality is the condition in which death of certain genotype occurs prematurely. The fully dominant or fully recessive lethal allele kills the carrier individual only in its homozygous condition, not in heterozygous condition. So the F2 genotypic ratio of the lethal gene is said to be that either 2:1 or 1:2 respectively. In intragenic gene interaction, the last one, pleiotropy, we are going to see. Pleiotropy, a single gene affects multiple traits or characters. In pleiotropy, single gene affect multiple traits and alter the phenotype of an organism. The pleiotropic gene influences a number of characters simultaneously, and such genes are called as pleiotropic gene. These were crossed with a variety of peas having white flowers, light color seeds, and not spot on axil of the leaves. And not spot on the axil of the leaves. The three triads for flower color, seed color, and a leaf axil spot, all were invented together as a single unit. all expressed by as a single unit. And another example for the pleiotropy is called sickle cell anemia. Another example for the pleiotropic effect is called as sickle cell anemia. Dear students, in intragenic interaction, incomplete dominance, codominance, lethal genes, and pleiotropy, a single gene affects multiple traits in an organism we come across. Go through all the subtitles carefully in the intragenic interaction. Let us continue the next class in which intergenic interaction. Thank you.